Obi's the cool one. Dusty's the jerk. Dusty. 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 Hug me, Dusty. See, he does this. Known him for months. He knows I live here. I got seniority. No, and then he just eats stuff. Is that tasty cardboard, Dusty? And I'm petting Obi because Obi's cool people. I like Obi. If we go to Obi. And then there's Dusty. Now I gotta give him credit. He's an agile dude. Dusty, show him some hops, yo. Whoa, Obi. This is the routine, man. Obi loves me. Dusty's a jerk face. Dusty. Were you gonna eat that? Got some hops though, man. You got some hops. Yeah? Who are you letting know that? What are you doing now? I'm gonna film your psychosis, bro. How do you feel about that? Oh, he's like, you start petting me now, fella. Whoa, hey. Why are you chewing on his butt? Tossing a salad now? Ooh, crazy dog. But this is the key to getting the puppies to be chill, is film them. The cats as well. They're throwing a conniption fit, then you pull out the camera, and then they're like, why am I on camera look like an asshole? Can I pet you? Dusty! Let me pet you! Alright, I'm going inside, everybody. Cheers. One more petting for the OD. Where's a good guy? Yes. I'm petting Obi. I'm giving him a hug. I'm giving him a hug, Dusty. I'm petting Obi. All right, later, y'all.